Hello everyone, and in today's video we are going to see option buying in detail. So we are going to cover all these points in this video. So start one by one. First is 90 is to 10. So in option buying or in option trading, understand the thing that we have to observe market continuously throughout the day. Means we have to observe market almost 90% of the time, and only 10% we have to be in trade whenever we will get the opportunity, right? It's not like just at 9:15 market open ho gaya and we have to get into the trade. No, let we should get the opportunity, and at perfect time we will take the entry, be in trade, and will get the profit and just will come out of that trade. Means total 90% generally we have to observe the market, right? And only 10% do the trading. Next is 5 is to 10 or 5 is to 50. Means whenever you will think to trade according to your technical analysis or according to your indicator, whenever you will see, yeah, there is the opportunity to be in trade, yeah, trade ban raha hai. So don't think about the target, what target I will get. Think about the stop loss, right? Suppose your stop loss is fixed according to the strategy. Your stop loss is fixed, means suppose for 5 points or 10 points. Why I'm saying 5 and 10? That is for Nifty actually. Bank Nifty is too volatile, and if you are a beginner, don't go for Bank Nifty directly. Try to do it for Nifty and Nifty 50, and when you will get hands on Nifty, then go for the Bank Nifty. And it's like addiction. Those who are trading Bank Nifty, they don't trade Nifty 50. Those who are trading Nifty 50, then don't go for trading options. Likewise, so if you are a beginner, first start with Nifty 50. Don't start with Bank Nifty. And in Nifty 50, try to keep the stop loss fixed for at least minimum 5 to 10 points, right? And the target will be according to, means 1 is to 2 ratio or 1 is to 3 ratio, at least you should get. Then only you will maintain your risk and reward ratio, right? So minimum 5 to 10 or 5 to 15 रेशियो शुड बी मेंटेन. मीन्स अगर आपका स्टॉप लॉस 5 to 10 पॉइंट्स का है, देन 1:2 और 1:3 प्रॉफिट यू शुड गेट. Then only enter into the trade. Otherwise, just one green candle go in call side, one red candle go in put side. Don't do that. पूरे स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ विथ फिक्स स्टॉप लॉस अगर ट्रेड बन रहा है, देन ओनली एंटर इनटू द ट्रेड. Next, don't over trade. Fix okay, how many trades you are going to do in throughout the day. Means minimum 2 trades to 3 trades you should do. Don't go beyond that. Otherwise, if you start trading like without technical analysis, I think अभी मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, आई विल टू कॉल, लॉस हो गया, देन अगेन विथ रेड कैंडल यू मे थिंक नहीं मार्केट अभी नीचे जाएगा, देन यू बाय पुट. तो it converted to over trading 8, 10, 15 trades per day, right? And along with the brokerage, so ultimately at the end of the day it vanishes your capital. So fix your number of trades per day and don't exceed that. Next is 20 to 30% capital. Why I'm saying this? Because distribute your capital. If you are deciding you are going to do 2 trades per day, then distribute your capital 50-50 or as you want. But in that capital which is you had allocated for one trade, usse bhi half of the capital you should invest in first trade, right? So suppose in this यहाँ पे ट्रेड बना, right? And we took the entry, right? We get good opportunity. Then यहाँ पे again it retest, again trade continues. So at this point when it breaks this swing, you should able to add the quantity, right? So उसके लिए भी आपके पास कैपिटल बचा होना चाहिए. So accordingly you should distribute your capital. Don't invest all the capital in one trade. No, you have to distribute your capital. Next, day. So if you're a beginner, don't trade. I will suggest don't exactly go on Friday को ही start करना है trading. ऐसे मत करो. Because on Friday, Thursday is expiry. So Friday जो भी options रहते हैं that is costly. So comparative to the other day. So don't start your trading on Friday. You can do it on Friday, but don't start it on Friday. Start it on some other day like Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday accordingly. Next, lot size. Understand in Bank Nifty, fixed lot size is 25 and in Nifty 50, fixed lot size is 50. We have to take it as it is. Then don't trade in first 5 minutes. Why we are saying don't trade in first 5 minutes? Because if you are a beginner and you don't know what is the volatility in the market, how the candle forms in first 5 minutes, then definitely you will make a mistake, because in first 5 minutes a huge volatility in the market. Sometime आपको दिखेगा green हो रहा है, green candle बन रहा है, suddenly it will drop down, right? And you will not get the time to put the stop loss also. So 5 मिनट में भी पूरा कैपिटल खत्म होता है. सो डोंट ट्राई टू ट्रेड इन फर्स्ट 5 मिनट इफ यू आर अ बिगनर. If you are having hands on it, then you can go for it. Next we'll see what is ATM, ITM and OTM. So ATM, that is at the money, ITM, that is in the money, and OTM, that is out of the money. So let's see it in the market live. So you can see currently the Nifty is at 166. So suppose we buy, now I think the market will go up after making this W pattern and all. Actually इतना सब गिरने के बाद I will not go for C, but just for the sake of understanding, now if the trader thinks that market will go in upside, then you are going to buy call C. Then Nifty is at 18164. Then what strike price you will select? If 18150 call, then it will be your at the money. Let's see Nifty 18150 C. Then how it will show? Nifty 18150 C, 150 P, 150 CP for 18 May. Then which you have to select? You have to select 18, because today is 17, Wednesday. Tomorrow is expiry. Thursday is the expiry. So you have to select for 18 May. Right? Again, you think the market will go on upside. Then you have to select C. So you have to select Nifty 18150 C. So that will be your ATM. जिस प्राइस पे आप बाय करते हो, मीन्स जहां पे निफ्टी है, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू बाय एट द सेम स्ट्राइक विद द सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस, दैट विल बी योर एट द मनी. राइट, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज आईटीएम. आईटीएम के लिए सपोज निफ्टी इज एट 18165 एंड यू आर बाइंग द स्ट्राइक प्राइस एग्जैक्टली इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. राइट, सो वो हो गया आपका इन द मनी. मीन्स निफ्टी, suppose it is at 160 and we are buying it at Nifty 18100. 18100 C. Then that will be your in the money. Right? And exactly in the same direction, that will be your out of the money. Means suppose Nifty is at 18160 and you are buying 18200 as an example. Nifty 18200 कॉल साइड, तो वो हो गया आपका आउट ऑफ द मनी. राइट, सो नाउ फ्रॉम प्राइस ऑल्सो यू कैन सी आउट ऑफ द मनी का प्राइस जनरली कम होता है. इफ यू गो फॉर 18200, 32 rupees, then 18250, 18300, that will also respectively cheaper side. राइट, बट ऐसे नहीं है कि चीपर साइड है तो वो बाय कर लो. बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम डीके यू विल गेट वेरी वेरी लेस प्रॉफिट. अगर उस आप बाय करते हो और सडनली मूवमेंट आता है, देन ओनली यू विल गेट द प्रॉफिट इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ओटीएम. राइट, बट इफ यू आर अ बिगनर एंड you want to see how it works, then you can try for it OTM. Generally go for ITM or ATM. So 18100 in the money you can see it is at higher price. अगर आप और भी नीचे जाते हो, मीन्स 18000 yeah, 17,900, then it will be more costly, deep in the money it will be, and 18,150 will be at the money. So that is the difference, ATM, ITM and OTM. So you can buy accordingly. Next is stop loss. This is the most important thing. If you don't know how to put this stop loss, then first learn how to put this stop loss. If you don't know, then don't try to do option trading. Otherwise, one day, 2 day, 3 day, maybe you will be in profit, but one day you will get such a loss that will totally vanish your capital. So don't try to trade without stop loss. Learn first how to put the stop loss, try for it, and only after that you start option buying or option trading. So in this video, if you understand whatever the things I have explained, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.